The student wants to make and support a generalization about honeybees. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Cities tend to have a wide range of flowering vegetation, parks, yards, and gardens. This vegetation provides a varied diet for honeybees, strengthening bees' immune systems. On average, 62.5% of bees in an urban area will survive a harsh winter. Rural areas are often dominated by monoculture crops such as corn or wheat. On average, only 40% of honeybees in a rural area will survive a harsh winter. So once more, the goal of the student is to make and support a generalization about honeybees. So let's look at the answer choices. A. Cities tend to have a wider range of flowering vegetation than do rural areas, which are often dominated by monoculture crops. This is incorrect because this does not discuss honeybees at all, and neither does it make and support a generalization about honeybees. Therefore, A is incorrect. B. In urban areas, over 60% of honeybees on average will survive a harsh winter, whereas in rural areas, only 40% will. So this answer choice is incorrect because this simply describes information on what percentages of honeybees will survive in urban and rural areas. This does not make and support a generalization about honeybees, however. Therefore, B is incorrect. C. The strength of honeybees' immune systems depends on what the bees eat, and a varied diet is more available to bees in an urban area than to those in a rural area. This is incorrect because although this does make a generalization about honeybees, which is that the strength of the honeybee's immune system depends on what the bees eat, it does not properly support the generalization because it simply describes the reasoning behind this, which is that the varied diet is more available to bees in an urban area than those in a rural area. And because it does not incorporate any of these numbers to describe the percentages of bees that survive in a harsh winter, C is incorrect. D. Honeybees are more likely to thrive in cities than in rural areas because the varied diet available in urban areas strengthens the bees' immune systems. So this is the correct answer because this properly makes and supports a generalization about honeybees. Generalization is in this first part here, where it highlights how honeybees are more likely to thrive in cities than in rural areas. And it supports this generalization by highlighting how the varied diet available in urban areas strengthens the bees' immune systems. So because answer choice D correctly makes and supports a generalization about honeybees, D is the correct answer.